Hi guys, welcome to this video. Guess what? I just made $90 today as a binary affiliate. $90 today as a binary affiliate. Let me show you how I do this in just a simple step. Now, for most of you that have heard about binary.com and all that benefit that binary.com has, let me just simply show you some of our bonuses on our platform here, guys. So I've made quite a huge figure from binary affiliate system. So if you want to join the binary affiliate, like you get over 30% revenue share and lots of other benefits on the MT5 trading platform. So what happens is this: first of all, you need to know how binary trading works. So if you don't know jack about binary trading, let's go to bankablewisdom.com, and right now you can still take the course for free. You can still take the course on bankablewisdom.com for free. So there's a course called the binary option, binary mastery. Like this profitable binary option, you go take it. And there's another one again called another one called complete. Okay, this is not okay. Okay, binary option money system. This is a big one, guys. So this is the biggest. So go take it, and all these courses are for free. So you can click on the details of the course, and you can click on like you want to enroll, and just few minutes and you're done taking it. You click on enroll, and you take it, you go watch some videos, and it's still free up to this point, April. So you go take it, guys. So kindly do that as quickly as possible. Okay, so let's say you want to know how to trade binary option. Let's say you want to know how to trade binary option. Let's say you want to learn how to trade binary option. There are a lot of videos I've done on YouTube on binary option and how you can make this box and all that stuff. So firstly, one of the things you need to do, you need to click on my affiliate link. So go on b.ly/Emperovia Trades. Okay, Emperovia Trades. So once you click on this, guys, it will take you to a sign up page. So it's not taking me here on a sign up page because this is my binary account, one of my binary accounts. So you take on the sign up page and you just sign up immediately. You just put in your email, you sign up, create account, and you go back and all that. But it won't show me that right now because I'm on my account. So I want to show you how to trade binary option money system, guys. So first of all, I'm just showing you a brief method. The platform backup will will give you a full introduction on the courses and details, but let me just give you a brief. So, guys, this is a trade. There's this one that I popularly show people about, this 5 ticks. So, what we do, guys, how we got here is that what we are trading on is called synthetic indices. Under synthetic indices, you click on any of these volatility index, and if you understand financial trading, you understand that the future of the world is going towards volatility indices, especially the volatility 75 index. So I'll click on volatility 75 index, and the next thing we do is we set our duration. So the first idea I will just teach, you just brief, but go on the bankable wisdom. You can find the course on Udemy. On Udemy, you can find it. Go on binary money system. Then you add my full name, Precious, and so on. So you get to see. So the 5 ticks, you click on 5 ticks and you add 5 ticks. So first thing you need to do is that you need to take the chart to adjust it. Like this barrier offset here is that the higher you raise it, the lower the profit and the safer your trade. So you adjust it to percentage that will show you that will be less than 5%. Okay, so let's take it more. Okay, let's take it more. So we got it, guys. So keep adjusting. So this one is okay, and you can keep 7. Okay, so this is 4%. So I'll put 100 USD in my trade. Okay, so I want to use 100 USD to trade. So what strategy am I using? I'm using price action. So I'm trying to use leverage on the floor of the market. So see what I will do, guys. I'll just look at this chart and look at whenever this chart is falling like a clock-like sound. You know how clock moves. It doesn't move as fast as this. Like see, this is not clock. So it moves tip 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 tip. Whenever it's going like a tip tip and it goes twice, I'll click for it to go downwards. Okay. So that's it. So this is not what I'm looking for. So I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it to go like a tip tip sound, tip tip like uh, this is not what I'm looking for. So I'll keep waiting. I'll keep waiting. And one of the things in trading, you have to be patient. If it's not moving slow like a clock, like downwards, you don't take the trade. So you keep watching it. This is the chart option, this is the explanation option. So go take the full course on a Banknote. There are two courses on it. It's for free. You can take the one of Udemy if you want instant Udemy certifications. It just costs some few USD dollar. So search on Udemy and try uh, binary option beginners guide and binary option money system. So you find those two courses there. So I'm watching it and watching it. It's not moving, but I can actually still win because I'm using a leverage that is very high also. But I want to teach you how to trade, so I don't want to stick all the. I'm just watching the chart. So at this point here, as long as it's still at this up like direction, I'm not going to trade. I'll keep watching and watching and watching. Then I can move it to the next trade. I can take it, move it to the next synthetic indices. But since it's going down, I'm watching. See, my hand is on this purchase, but when it's going slow like a clock-like movement, I'll just click trade. Look at it. So I've gotten it. So I'll just allow it go. So 5 ticks, and in 5 ticks, I'll know if I'm a winner. So I'll just keep watching it and watching it. See, contract one. Look at it, contract one. So I just added almost 2.9 USD. That's like instantly. I just made this. So I'll just trade one more time. Let me show you again. So this is it. So look at it. It's going downwards, but look at it. Okay, it's that it gives me the clock lights, and again I place my trade instantly and keep watching. So have you seen what I did? I'm leveraging because it's going that tip like direction. All right, so you see contract one again, so okay. So most times we do this trade like 4 times in a day, and we are good to go. The first thing we do is to study this pattern and practice using the virtual account or putting your money on it. So if you take the course, you understand something about what it means for you to fund your account and all that stuff. So how can you participate in the affiliate system and in for lifetime? So try kindly go to what I call bit.ly/Emperovia partner. Okay, what is Emperovia partner? Okay, so bit.ly/Emperovia partner. So I'm just I didn't put the slash, so I'll just kind of go bit.ly/Emperovia partner. So what it will do is that it will take you to a sign up page. But this is my main account, so I need to log out from this account before I can show you this. Okay, so I'll just sign out, log out, and I'll enter that this again. bit.ly/ okay, we are partner. So when I click on this guy, take to a sign up page. So on this sign up page, I need to be accepted on DUI before I can trade. So since I'm a master affiliate, I can actually make you get accepted on DUI instantly without going through the long stress. So what you need to do, guys, once you come here, choose a very simple username, choose a password, choose choose like your email address, confirm password and all that. Then for the part, the one you want to use, always go for revenue share. Okay, so you choose your first name and you add subscribe. Then you put your password. Don't ever identify yourself as a company for now. If you're not that big promotion, big send. You put your WhatsApp number, put your country dialing code, phone number, your address. Okay, town and details. Okay, Skype. If you don't have a Skype account, you leave it. Now, this is the side that makes you not to be accepted at times. When you actually tell us how you're going to promote your program, and then when they say your Skype ID, when they say provide direct link. So what you need to do is that if you don't have any group to promote those stuff, all you need to do, create a simple WhatsApp group. Once you create a simple WhatsApp group, go on those platforms known as uh, Bitly, Bitly. Go and copy the WhatsApp group invite link and paste there. Then you copy that shorting code. Like if you have a WhatsApp group, because you need to show them direct traffic. If you have a Facebook group also, you can decide to show them like you can copy the direct link. Like look at this is a what this for example. Let me say this kind of WhatsApp group now. So I can now say I'll now click on something like create and I'll paste the long link. Let's say this is the link I just took there. And let me say okay, sorry. Let me just say this is the link I just took there. Okay. So look at it. So immediately I just click on this. It should just shorten this thing for me. How do I click on create? It will shorten the link for me and it's going to show me shorten link. Look at it. I've already created this link before now. So this is not I've already created it to go back to that site. All right, but if you just paste any of your link on this stuff, it will shorten the link. So you can copy that link and paste on this side that they're asking you that based on this side. Then when you're asked to tell us how to promote the program, tell them that you promote it with your network of entrepreneurs or people that are interested in financial traders via WhatsApp and all that. Don't start telling them that you have 1,000 people or try telling them that you give them 50. You tell them that I will promote the program through my network, through my highly interested networks of people that are interested in financial trading. So you put this guys. So as you can see on my, so once you do this, you just click on submit. So instantly, if you do this on a working day using the link I just shared with you, which is the bit.ly/Emperovia partner, that is the bit.ly/Emperovia partner. If you use that link, you'll be accepted within a day, a one working day. Okay. So once you are accepted, let me log in on my own site and show you something. Okay, so let's say you are accepted now. So the next thing that you need to know is you need to know how to promote the stuff. So first thing to do is that you copy your codes, like you'll be given a long code as your referral link. So you need to also go on bit.ly.com and shorten it. Okay. Or what you need to do is that if you know about this my bankable wisdom training, this courses that is free, you can decide to tell people to come and learn binary option trading. And before they learn the binary option trading, you give them your link to register so that they can get these courses for free. So you guide them, you take the courses yourself and understand those courses. So you guide them, you add them on the WhatsApp, you ask them to register on your link so that they can be you can have this slot, get this course for free. You just try to like package it in a sense that will make them to value it. So once they are on your group, let's say they're like 20, 40, they all register through your link on binary.com. And the next thing you now ask them to do is to go take this course. Then the next thing you get to do is start asking to their questions and all that. So once they get to trade, you definitely be making money on a consistent basis. That's why they keep trading. So it's like a passive income system. Okay, so I want to show you this is my account. I'll show you something. So after here, you'll be asked to put like something about payment details, something about finances, payment details. When you're asked to do that, guys, you can see I have over um, I have quite some number. And one more thing, guys, once you finish, if you register through that link, and you're having issues or you have not yet been confirmed, one of the things that you need to do is to shoot me a message on 09 on WhatsApp, especially on this. Okay, shoot me a message on this. Okay, once you shoot me a message on this, or let me use this for WhatsApp so I can give you direct response to me. You shoot me a message on this telling me that you just registered on with my affiliate, uh, super affiliate link. You can send a screenshot and all that stuff. So I can actually guide you on some other details. Okay, so once you have, so the next thing we ask, you have to set up your account. So you go on binary.com. You go on binary.com. Okay, so you go on binary.com. You will have to open like an MT5 account and all those ones. So we have to set it up now for more professional use. Okay. So once you set it up for more professional use, you'll be asked to even set your like for that. Like we have to set your account for more professional use. Okay. So that's how basically it works. So that's how basically it works. You'll be asked to set all these things so you can be able to withdraw your money as soon as possible. You won't be asked to set up different stuff, and there are a lot of things all here that finally just kind of like use. All right. So you can set up something like this. So that's how it works critically. You can go on marketing and see what they're doing. You can check the boards. You can. So the first thing to do is that use your binary.com CRO account to receive payments. That's what you need to use. Don't use any other accounts. Use your binary account to receive payments, and then you're good to go, guys. Use your binary account to receive payments. So you can see there I have over um, 11 sub affiliates there. I have over 250 people that signed up on my account. So in total, you can see I have close to 300 people that are already my direct affiliates on this store. And that's just basically how it works. So later you can check how the MT5 platform works. Still check the courses, and you are definitely good to go. So with this, you can make large amount of dollars consistently if you are an affiliate and if you know how to trade binary.com. And kindly understand that the bankable courses on bankable wisdom is paramount to understanding the binary option system. Or you go on Udemy if you can pay, because I have my this full all those courses there. This binary option money system and binary option beginners guide. Yes, but you see my name and this is my full. Uh, Trying to check the structure of this. Okay, this is my full name. Okay. All right. See you on the best side of life, and kindly ensure you subscribe to this channel. So thank you so